In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a Google Ads account. If you need to let another person view or manage your campaigns, Google Ads makes that process straightforward. The key is making sure you choose the correct permission level so the person gets the access they need without giving more control than necessary. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account using your normal login details. After signing in, give the platform a moment to fully load. You want to make sure the dashboard, also called the overview page, is completely visible before moving on, so all the menus and settings appear properly. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the Admin section. Inside that area, select Access and Security. This is where you manage who can enter the account and what they are allowed to do. When the Access and Security page opens, click the plus icon to add a new user. A form will appear where you can enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Be careful here and double-check the email address before continuing, since the invitation will be sent directly to that address. After that, set the access expiration option from the drop-down menu. This is useful if you only want to provide temporary access, for example, to a freelancer, consultant, or agency partner for a limited time. If access should continue indefinitely, choose the option that best matches that need. Now select the appropriate access level. Google Ads typically offers options such as read-only or admin, and the right choice depends on what the person needs to do. Read-only access is a good option if they only need to review performance and settings. Admin access should only be given if you trust the person to make account-wide changes and manage other users as well. Once you've chosen the access settings, scroll down and click Send Invitation. Google Ads will then process the request and send an email invitation to the user. Give it a few moments for the invitation to be delivered. Finally, return to the Access and Security page and monitor the status there. This lets you confirm whether the invitation is still pending or whether the user has accepted it successfully. That final check is helpful because it confirms the access request was completed. And that's how to give someone access to your Google Ads account. Thanks for watching.